Hello guys, and welcome to my second video, complete Tailwind CSS course. Right, in this video we are going to talk about the background color and using these shaders. Right, and we have color palette. In this color palette we have on the left hand side we have it's mean vertically we have the color mode, and horizontally we have the color shades. Okay, right, now we have a different modes color palette. We have the red, we have orange, amber, yellow, lime, green and teal, and we have a lot of color and with a lot of shaders we can use. Okay, and I will try out one by one and we can see how it's gonna work. First we going to apply this color for our project. We need to create the div class. Inside this class we need to have filling with this content, some content. Okay, and I'm going to create h1. Let's say hello bliss 4. Right, save this. Right, now you can see in this div we have simple header and they say hello bliss 4. Right, I'm come to the class. Let's say bg for define background class. Now we can choose color, and I am going to choose the orange, amber. Let's take out amber, and in this color I'm going to start from the 50. Okay, and now you can see the difference between the color shades. Right, I have already applied 50. Save, and then comes your live preview documentation. Right, now you can refresh it. You can see and let's try out 100 maybe. Yeah, okay, you can see we are using capital. Don't use capital for this, and now we can start from 50. Right, now you can see. Right, let's take a copy and this one change into 100. Again 200. I'm continuing this process. 900, 800, 900. This is maximum amount. Right, save. Now you can see the color shades. Right, or let's say maybe you want to change color. You don't like ambient color. You need to create, let's say, teal. Copy this command for to see it will. You can see the clearly, and let's say teal. See, right? You can see. But the another option I will show you, you can use the opacity level. And let's comment, right? I have already created the comment section, right? Let's say in this comment section opacity, right? Now I will show you how this work with opacity. I'm going to copy this. Oh no, we can create new div class bg, and let's say line 500. Let's add content into this h1, or no, let's add box height 9, width 9. Let's say this file. See, we have box, right? Or we can use, I'm going to use the arbitrary value to see clearly. Let's say 40 pixels. Pixels. Mm, 500. Right, oh, it's too large. Maybe it want it. Right. Now you can, let's say you want to create the opacity level. You need to control opacity level from these shades. Okay, let's add we need to add dash. When you add dash, you need to apply the opacity, and it's start from 0 to 100. Okay, and let's say 5. You can see here we have with the 5, and let's add into this division to see clearly. Comment into this. Right, do not think about too much. I will show in future videos. And this is this function called the flux box. Let's try this. Let's say 40. You can see the opacity level. Say 20. Maybe 40 turned into 60. You can see the opacity level, it's shading from the left to right. Okay, let's apply maximum value. Oh no, maybe 80, and as for the final one, let's set maximum value 9, right? And let's see. Right now you can see the color shades, right? I start this lime green, and we have the lime BG with 5 opacity, 20 opacity. Oh yeah, we can add some, let's say 5 opacity. Okay, let's save. Right, and this one for 20 opacity. And let's say this one for right, and this one for 40 opacity. Copy this, copy. Oh no, let's copy this whole command. Paste, 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 and this one 60, this one for 90, this one for 90. Right, let's save this. Right now you can see we have the 5 opacity, 20 opacity, and this one for 40, 60, 80 and 90, and this is maximum value of opacity, right? And so in this tutorial we have talking about the BG color and the opacity level. Another feature we need to talk about the text color. Okay, say text color, and I'm creating division and with class let's say our common comment hello please for let's say I am red. I am red. Okay, come to this and let's add the text dash red. Right, now we can control the color, and I start from the 200. Okay, let's try at 600, 900. Oh, that is enough. Save this. You can see I make a little bit larger. This text. Right now you can see the text color mode, and we can do this more larger, and I'm come to my documentation and let's search for text width, let's font size. Okay, right. Under the font size we have we can use this and 2XL. In my case I use this. Let's try it. XL. Okay, let's save this. Oh, let's try out 2XL. Right, a little bit. And right, we have the 2XL. Let's try out 7XL. We can use until 9XL. Okay, 9XL too bigger. Save this. See, and 8XL for this, and for this apply 9XL. Save. We can see the versions of the text sizes and variety of text sizes. Okay, and you can follow the same procedure and you will make your text more than bigger. And if you're not satisfied with this, you can use arbitrary values as I use for this, right? And this is about the font size, and you can use any text sizes you want. And you can use for this for your paragraph. Okay, and let's create a paragraph, and I'm come to Google. Let's say okay, I'm going to use this content paragraph and copy, and I'm going to paste it here. When you apply some text into here, it's go over our documentation, and you will come to the view, and you can use the word wrap method, and it is wrapping into our viewport, and it's easy to see. You can get, and let's set class, and come to this text base. Let's try out. Refreshing our page. Let's make our sentence. Oh no. Let's come to again this. Come to the Wikipedia. Let's start from here. I'm going to paste into this. Right now we have big text. Copy, and one more time paste it here. Right, and then save. Right now we have a paragraph, right? And you can use the color when you use span tag. Okay, when you use it span, let's copy this, cut and paste into here, inside the span, let's add class, and let's say text weight 400 value. You can see, and okay, so let's do the similar words into, let's turn into similar words and say Japan and into the red one. Okay, here we have span right, and make a space in class, say text dash weight, and let's apply 400. Right, and one more text we have set span let's set class weight. Save this, and now you can see, and we have weight text here, weight text here, and weight text here. And also we can do bold text say font bold. Yeah, font bold. Let's try out. Right, now you can see the bold, and it's turning into bold. Just try out semi bold. Right, I'm going to copy this and paste it into here, and also paste it into here. Let's save this. Right, now you can see we have get the beautiful bold text. We have get the, and okay, one more part I had missed. Let's copy this. Yeah, here, paste it. Right, okay, enough for now. Right, and let's leave this session. Now I'm going to talk about the accent color, to how does you use it into the your project. Another color value, and which is called accent. Okay, right, you need to, before you apply the accent color, you need to having a input type data. Okay, and I'm create input, let's say type, and we need to add checkbox, and this is the use case. And let's add color class. Yeah, let's save this. Right, now here we have checkbox. So right, Where is this one? Some problems. Let's apply it again. Input, type, checkbox, and let's set class and close. And this is self-causing tag. Right now, it will appear. And when you use this for accent, and you need to search the color and accent. I'm going to apply the orange 400. When you apply this, you haven't seen anything. When you click this button, you can see it is. And so my web page. When you apply color, and it will, you can see. And let's say yeah, this is accent color. Okay, so right, and I'm check another copy, and let's apply into this line. Let's try out. Now you can see we have red one and we have line one. Right, now we need to talking about the gradient. This is our final session about the colors, and let's say gradient. Now I'm again come to my documentation, and let's search gradient. And now you can say how to apply gradients. Right, we need to apply some classes, okay, and which is start from the BG gradient, to white, okay, and this is to white and from blue. Let's apply, and I will show you how to use case to work with it. Right, let's copy this command, save, but you can't see anything because you don't have the some object. We need to create some object, and I will take the width 100 pixel, height 100 pixel. Okay, save. Now you can see our gradient is start from the indigo to, and we have not applied, in my case we have not applied to or via colors. Is above via means it allows the middle color, and I will show the next use case for this we can use from to dash width dash 500 this is not applicable, right? We don't need to apply dash. Right now you can see we have the color from indigo to red, and let's apply. I'm going to apply margin, top margin 9 for the see clearly. Now you can see, and let's also change the color. And let's use amber. Right now you can see we have the gradient, and I'm going to adjust the width, set 500. Do not use too much. Right now you can see the gradient. When you need to, sometimes you need to set the middle color, and you can use via keyword, and I'm come for this middle, and let's say via, and now we need to set the color, and let's set this pink one. Let's save this, save. Now you can see we have, and it's which start from the amber, and we have middle of the pink, and lastly we have the red color. Okay guys, and this is for today. This is enough for today, and in this tutorial you will learn about color shades and how to apply the background color, and how to work with the text, and how to work with text color, and how to apply color into the paragraph, and how to work with accent color with the checkbox. And we also finally we learned about the how to apply gradient into the your website. And I will see you with the new tutorial, and in the okay, so bye for now, and I hope you guys enjoyed today in this video, right? And okay, keep subscribing my channel, and I'll see you again.